On the fringes of Tangerang, Indonesia, rests Tresno House, a tranquil composition of form and tradition. Crafted by raw architecture, it blossoms from geomantic wisdom, where 9 sacred squares guide life, air and light with calm precision. The house is arranged as 9 perfectly proportioned boxes, 3.6 by 3.6 meters each, forming a gentle grid of spatial poetry. Cantilevered volumes shelter garden, pool and circulation, while the solid west wall stands calm against harsh tropical sun. The structure layers tropical modernity with tradition. Polished concrete slabs, 600 by 1,200 mm modules, grounded by steel frames, while expanses of perforated metal screen the mezzanine and balcony with graceful shadow and privacy. Each floor unfolds purposefully. A service-rich ground level gives way to living spaces on the first floor and private quarters above. The geometry of the grid ensures clarity. North hosts the master suite while south shelters the children's rooms, all bridged by vertical and horizontal flows. A central skylit atrium, the Javanese-inspired Tumpang Sari, draws cool air skyward and illuminates the heart of the home. Generous garden-facing openings invite gentle breezes, while the west elevation remains reserved and shaded. The materials resonate with raw honesty. Surface wonders include smooth concrete, tactile wood, raw steel and refined perforated panels. A humble tactile convergence of tradition, craft and modern restraint. Inside, fittings fall silent so light can speak. Furnishings are unobtrusive. Volume and texture take the lead. Light washes across polished floors and steel screens, guiding eyes from atrium to private alcove. A seamless choreography of calm. Encircled by a ring of pukuk mara trees, the house gardens itself. This living periphery filters daylight, breathes freshness, and shapes a subconscious microclimate, nature's quiet choreography of protection and grace. Tresno House is built from lines of ancient wisdom and light, where every grid, shade and space honors tradition while breathing with life. Here, architecture becomes living geometry, tender, timeless and wholly serene.